Imagine a future where a single, concise summary decides whether your content is seen. That future is here. Google AI Overviews, also called AEOs, are reshaping search results. If you want your page to be summarized and surfaced by Google's generative AI, optimization requires a deliberate, methodical approach. Start with clarity of purpose. AI Overviews favor pages that directly answer common user intents. Before you write, map the specific questions your audience asks. Use those questions as anchors: concise headings, direct opening sentences, and structured answers. A client searching for how to rank in Google AI Overviews expects a clear checklist, not rhetorical flourishes. Next, structure for extractability. Generative models pull from clearly labeled information. Use short paragraphs, bullet-worthy sentences, and explicit labels for definitions, steps, and examples. Provide succinct summaries at the top of long sections. Think of each summary as a micro-overview that the AI can lift intact. Authority matters. Google's systems weigh signals like authoritativeness and trust. Cite reputable sources, include verifiable data, and surface credentials or affiliations where relevant. Contextual context. Date your content and indicate geographic or topical scope to prevent misinterpretation. Signal relevance through markup and metadata. Use schema where appropriate. FAQ, HowTo, and article markup help machines understand page elements. Ensure titles and meta descriptions mirror the core question and include natural language variants. Avoid keyword stuffing. Generative models prize semantic clarity over repetition. Finally, monitor and iterate. Review performance in Search Console, test how snippets are generated, and refine content where AI overviews misrepresent your message. Small edits, adding a one-sentence summary, clarifying a step, or tightening phrasing can change what the AI extracts. In short, be clear, structured, authoritative, and test repeatedly. When you write for machine summarization without sacrificing human readability, your content stands the best chance of becoming the concise answer people see first. Scales.ai is here to help you get to the top of AI and Cited where it matters most. Contact us today for more information.